Welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to discuss two problems. Okay, which was asked in Infosys. The person who shared with me, I think whose interview was on June. Okay, so you can see on my screen. Problem number one is what the mind is what the mind is fed. Okay, so output is what the mind is means basically. Uh, in this given string, the count of the word is greater than 1. It's basically giving the result in the output. Okay. And problem number 2 is what? He has given an input array and he told to shift all 0 left side. Okay. So I will try to resolve one by one. Okay, so I will first move on problem number 1. So let me, so first what we have to do, create one main method. Okay, then take a string data type str and just copy from here and paste here. Then split the white space. Then give the variable name strs. Then you take one loop string, give variable name st, pass strs. Okay, and I think just take map interface a string as a data type and integer as a value. Take a map variable new hatch map. Okay, so in a map I will put the value in the key pair. Okay, so just take map dot put. So what we to do here, before this, check if map dot contains key st, then put the value in map. Is map get the default value. Initially it was st and its font was initially 1. If it will comes 2 times, just increment by 1. Okay. Then after just map dot put st. If it will not repeat 1 or more times, just keep their count 1. Okay. Then after what we need to do, just iterate the map dot entry, pass the data type a string here and integer. Okay, keep the variable name empty. Then iterate the entry set. Why I am taking here entry set? Because we have stored the value in map in the form of key pair value. Okay, so it will give the value in key and value. Okay, so just take map dot entry set, then after take if condition, then check if empty dot get value means occurrence of a string or occurrence of word, or you can say frequency of word is greater than 1. Okay, so just print the value means just print the result. Okay, just concat empty dot get key. Let me run this Java application. So you can see it is giving the mind is. The mind is. So what we need to do? It's giving in another line. Okay. So what we can do here? Take a list of a string. Okay. And take list dot new. What we can do when we can do one thing. Take a string joiner. Okay. String joiner. Just give the variable name joiner. Okay. Then joiner string joiner. Just pass the delimiter here. Then what we can do? Copy this joiner object. Just pass here and add. Then take empty dot get key. Okay. Yes. Then what we need to do? Just print the result. A short we can print in the form of array as well. Arrays dot. Let me just print joiner. Okay. Okay. You can see the output is the mind is. Just remove the unused package. Okay. So you can try also by using Java 8 Stream API. What we need to do? I have to. Okay. So just take arrays here. Then after take a stream. Then pass the str. Just stream. We can stream if we need, and just split this. Split by empty a space or white a space. Then after what we need to do? Just collect it. Collectors dot grouping by, just group the object which will comes twice or more than. Okay. So return the argument identity, then count the number of bird collectors dot counting. Okay. Then after just use entry set, then use for each loop and give the variable name, use lambda operator, entry, use lambda operator, just use for each loop. Then what we need to do, take one more string joiner here from here and just copy this, give the name joiner to, let me do joiner. Okay, one thing, check if entry dot get value is greater than 1. Okay, then after just pass here joiner dot add and pass the key value, entry dot get key. Okay, just close this, let me comment this one. Okay, and print the joiner 2, just pass joiner 2, let me run this. Okay, so this is giving the same result. Okay, so you can use you can do by Java testing API as well as for Java. Okay, so let me move on problem number 2. So in problem number 2, what is given? Given an in input it is given, he has given an array and then he has asked it to shift all 0 left side. Okay, so what we need to do, take first main method, insert, then take int numbers, take a array. Okay, then new int, pass the all input value, just copy from here and paste inside this. Then what we need to do, iterate this, int y is equal to 0 and I less than numbers dot length, then increment by 1. Okay, so in line number 14 I have iterated the all element in the given array, then check if if numbers at ith index is equal to 0, then add in, take one more take one more string joiner at this, take j1 and new a string joiner, just pass the delimiter here, comma, and create one more delimiter for remaining element. Okay, then what we need to do, j1 dot add, okay, pass the take string dot value of numbers of I. Okay, if number is equal to 0, then I pass the value in a string joiner 1, and in remaining element just pass in the joiner 2, j2 dot string dot value, then pass numbers I. Okay, so till now what we have done, I iterate the all element in the given array and extract the value which is equal to 0. Then I add in string joiner 1. Then remaining elements I add in another one, another joiner. Okay, so what we need to do is just take a sort. Okay, and the arrays, just call arrays dot as list and pass both joiner. Okay, in array list. Okay, then run the application. So you can see on the screen, so all element which is 0 shifted on left side, and the element means the remaining element shift on left side. Okay, so thank you guys, thank you everyone. Please like the video, and for more update subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Okay, thank you everyone, bye.